8 easy tips to make your skin glow. Want to get a healthy, glowing skin? You don't need to spend hours on end at the spa or spend a fortune on beauty products. You don't even need to completely change your beauty routine. Here are 8 skin care tips for a radiant and healthy glow. Get at least 7 hours of sleep every night. Unless your entourage includes a team of professional makeup artists, you won't get the healthy glow you're looking for if you don't get enough sleep. That's because sleep deprivation results in skin pigmentation, which causes dark circles under your eyes to appear. Pro tip: sleeping on a slightly raised pillow will promote lymphatic drainage and reduce the risk of waking up with huge bags under your eyes. Stay hydrated. You should drink between 1.5 and 2 liters of water every day to keep your skin soft and radiant. Pro tip: try mineral water that's enriched with magnesium and bicarbonates. This will help your skin keep its healthy glow. Avoid eating too much sugar. A sweet treat can wreak havoc on your waistline and on your skin. That's because sugar can make your skin age prematurely. Pro tip: for healthy-looking skin, nourish it from the inside out with the right foods. Make sure you consume lots of good fats, like olive oil, omega-3, nuts and salmon, antioxidants, green vegetables, and vitamin C, berries and citrus. Try strobing. Sweep a bit of brightening powder or cream along your cheekbone, nose bridge, middle of your forehead, cupid's bow, middle of your chin, above your eyebrow and on your eyebrow arch. For an extra touch of brightness, add some to the inner corner of your eye and in the middle of your eyelid. Pro tip: sweep a bit of brightening powder or cream along your cheekbone, nose bridge, middle of your forehead, cupid's bow, middle of your chin, above your eyebrow and on your eyebrow arch. Clean your face every night. Cleaning your face is essential to removing pollution residue that accumulates on your skin throughout the day. Before you head to bed, take a few moments to remove your makeup and any other impurities that can damage your skin barrier. Pro tip: use a 3-in-1 micellar water. No need to rinse or rub, it will automatically get rid of dirt and impurities. Finish with a mist of thermal water on your face. Exfoliate your skin. You should exfoliate your face once or twice a week. Use a gentle scrub, with natural exfoliating ingredients such as apricot kernel, and make sure to avoid plastic microbeds. An electric brush or exfoliating mask will also get rid of dead and dry skin. Your complexion will thank you. Pro tip: the best time to exfoliate is before you take a shower. Moisturize your skin. To get healthy, glowing skin, it's crucial to keep your skin moisturized. This will help your skin retain water and reinforce the cutaneous barrier. Pro tip: apply a moisturizing mask or another hydrating product right after you exfoliate. Target problem areas. Give your skin a good once-over to find its problem areas. Crow's feet? Dark circles? Imperfections? Slightly sagging skin? Dull complexion? There's sure to be a cream or a serum for that. Check out the links in the description to learn more about the facial creams, serums and supplements that will make your skin glow.